Today we're going to be taking a look at another one of our latest marine audio systems, the MDR2.0SB. This system is also available in white as the MDR2.0S2W. The MDR systems are 160-watt, 2-speaker systems. They include two 6.5-inch coaxial speakers with a Bluetooth source unit. The speakers included are IPX67 rated, and the source unit is IPX5 rated. All of this comes with a 1-year warranty to ensure consistent out-of-the-box durability. As we unbox the system, we can see each speaker and the source unit. All of the wiring harnesses and mounting hardware, it's also included in the box. The MDR 2.0 source unit features an LED screen with standard system navigation buttons. It's compatible with Bluetooth and Apple Control, allowing for full control of your audio from all mobile devices. It also includes USB and RCA inputs to ensure all your listening requirements are met. It has 4 channels dedicated to audio speaker output. All channels remain active when running external amplifiers. This will allow for additional speakers if desired. All of the wiring connections are conveniently labeled to ensure an easy installation, and a wiring diagram is also provided on the top face of the source unit. The 6.5-inch speaker pair features a 0.5-inch composite dome tweeter with a frequency response of 35 Hz to 21 kHz. The speaker sensitivity is 89 dB and a max power handling of 80 watts, with 40 watts being the RMS. Upon startup of the MDR 2.0, you'll need to connect your smart device to your unit. This simple setup involves navigating to your mobile settings and then selecting Bluetooth. For initial pairing, the MDR 2.0 text should appear as a new option at the bottom. Once selected, the unit will automatically pair to your device and allow you to control your audio from either your phone or the source unit. The MDR has a built-in FM and AM radio, allowing you to tune into your favorite stations as well. By clicking the mode button, you are able to switch the desired source for playback. The installation is quite simple. It requires only basic hand tools, and it can be completed within under an hour, depending on your system configuration. And that sums up our overview of the MDR 2.0S2B marine-grade audio system. To learn more about this system or for purchasing options, head over to mbquart.com, where both color options can be found under the Marine tab. As always, we appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time.